it really differently from my brother.
So here's what we'll do. Maybe we'll just listen to their advice.
Okay.
Each of them can give me the next step.
All right, I think we should
And
start
that
with
way we'll
Debbie.
make a community peanut butter and jelly
All right,
sandwich.
because I'm afraid to get in a fight with you over how to do it. So Deggy, how would
Yeah,
you?
we don't want to argue
Yeah,
about
no.
peanut butter and jelly
It's
sandwiches.
not worth it.
So you guys explain to us how peanut butter and jelly sandwiches
Deggy, what would you do
works.
first?
I would open up the bread bag and put bread down.
I don't think that's it. Deggy,
That's
stop
what
her.
he said. He said, open up the bread.
Oh, Deggy,
and
put
bread
bread down.
down.
Oh, wait, excuse me.
Okay,
Oh,
we have to go. You got your chance at giving me a direction.
Floor down?
Me?
No.
Okay, I think Kiki needs to take the next step.
Kiki? I think this is really strange.
I know that I've never seen it done this.
Okay, Kiki.
Put 2 pieces of bread on the plate.
Okay, that helps. Well, wait.
How?
It doesn't blow.
Oh,
Doesn't blow.
oh.
I don't know, but
I
that's
don't know how to
the
get
plate
it on the plate.
Yeah.
How do I get it on the plate to start with?
What's going on? You guys, don't you ever make sandwiches?
Yes.
Yes.
Charlotte, help.
Pick up the bread with your hands, 2 pieces, and put it on the plate.
I'm a little concerned there. But you know what? I like my sandwiches mushy. I like my
I
peanut
picked
butter
them up.
and jelly
I
mushy.
did what you
You know, I used to make bread balls out of that
I
stuff.
picked them up, got them, and I put them on the plate. All right. This is not going well.
Aiden Murphy.
Flatten the bread out on the plate.
Oh, you know what? Miss Prado. Miss Prado. That is. I'm not eating that sandwich. That's a whole lot of flattening. That's a whole lot of flattening. You know what? Pass for you. I think Miss Prado. Why don't we throw those 2 pieces of bread in the trash? We start over.
Yes.
Okay. Because honestly, I don't want peanut butter and butter.
Butter.
Oh my God. We don't need peanut butter. All right. So Tristan, help us out.
You gently grab 2 pieces of bread and put it on the plate.
Oh, gently. So that's
Gently.
nicely.
It's an important
Yeah.
adverb there.
Yeah. I mean, these guys are like a bull in the china shop. Oh, nice. Oh, okay. All right.
Gently.
Conaway.
You take the jelly and put it on one slice. But first, you have to spread it out. Open it and put your knife in it and then spread it out.
Oh, that's a lot of directions. Give me
Whoa,
one.
whoa, whoa. Open
You
it.
open the jar of the jelly.
Can I do this?
Yes, please do.
Maddie.
Screw the lid off the top.
Oh, now I'm gonna let Miss Prado take over because she said, "Oh, you wore a nice white shirt today." All right, so I'm taking that off. Okay.
Okay, now the next step. Eva.
Put your knife in it.
In it. What's
In
it?
the-
What's it?
Jelly.
Oh, jelly. Okay.
Slowly scoop it up and put it on the bread and spread it out.
Oh wait,
Spread
wait,
it.
wait,
No,
wait.
what's
Okay,
it though?
you got one direction. Put the knife in the jelly. I did that.
But
Now
I'm not
what?
sure what it is.
Oh yeah.
Take the knife out and spread on the bread.
No.
With the
No,
jelly
wait,
on it.
what? Wait, what?
Take the
What? You guys always tell us, wait, what?
No, that's not.
I know, I don't.
All right.
I
She's
maybe
spreading.
he doesn't like a lot of jelly. I don't like
La,
a lot
la,
of jelly.
la, la. He said spread the knife on the
Eden?
bread.
So put the knife back in there.
In there.
In the jelly jar.
Oh, okay.
In the jelly jar.
Scoop it up
Scoop.
with jelly on with jelly on the knife.
Well, she didn't say that.
This jelly or that jelly?
The one on your bread.
On the bread.
On one slice of bread.
How?
With your knife.
No, I didn't.
Back and forth. Back and forth. Lightly.
Right. Okay.
Okay, there we go.
Okay. Oh wow! Oh wow! That's a lot of jelly. See, that's when my brother and I differ. I don't like a generous amount of jelly. I
And
like
in our-
a nice light layer.
Our family, we have to have peanut butter on both sides because it keeps the bread from getting wet.
And you know, my brother.
Now what?
Matthew.
Open the peanut butter jar. No.
No.
Open the cap. Take the cap off the peanut butter. Screw the cap. Screw the cap.
Twist it. Matthew, you didn't say that. You said twist it. It's done.
Now take off the paper on the jar. With your hand. With your hand. No. Take off the paper that's on top. With your hand.
You know, I don't know how these kids get through life with instructions.
I just do it myself. I don't
All right. Okay.
this by myself.
What?
Now what?
I feel sorry for your kids when you guys get.
I know you don't get much.
I don't have
Hey, Natalie.
Wipe off your knife on the paper towel.
Ooh.
Thank you for saying on the
she's
paper
good.
towel, 'cause
I
I
was
have
waiting for you to
pants.
wipe it on your pants.
I know, it was close.
Now stick it in the peanut butter.
Should she stop?
Okay.
Yeah, and after stick it in the peanut butter.
Okay, let's get some. She got this part. Sedona.
You put the knife in the peanut butter and scoop it. No!
I'm really not interested in that sandwich.
Well, they keep telling me I don't get the whole
knife!
Why don't you
This is sad.
use the knife for what?
I'm done.
Okay, what am I supposed to do with this? Oh, hold on. Let's hear from
I
somebody
think
who
Danny's
hasn't.
got a suggestion.
Danny?
Take out the knife with one of your hands that doesn't have the peanut butter, and then put the peanut butter on the knife. No. Yeah, keep doing that. Yeah, there. Now put the peanut butter on the knife. Yeah. Now.
Put the peanut butter
Yeah.
on the knife.
Yeah. Now aim it.
Open your mouth.
No.
Okay, I'm aiming it.
Don't say aim it. Don't say aim it. Nikki,
Shoot it up.
Nikki's got a suggestion.
Smear the peanut butter on the piece of bread that doesn't have the jelly on it,
Ooh, he's
lightly.
good. He's good.
She said lightly.
There's
Spirit.
a lot of bread here that doesn't have peanut butter on it.
Oh, that's
On the plate.
on the plate.
That's a lot of peanut butter.
Oh, that's my kind of peanut butter jelly.
I love peanut butter.
Too much jelly.
Oh, wait, right here, too.
Whoa.
Yeah,
You okay?
Yeah, I'm not This is just sad.
How am I doing?
All right, Alex.
Now stop spreading it and pick up the bread with the. Wait. Pick up one piece of bread.
No, it could be this one.
Oh.
Or maybe this one. Or this one.
Okay, I got a piece of bread.
What? I got a piece too.
Okay. Now put it on the jelly.
No, run one.
No.
Put the peanut butter on it.
Wait, which
Put
one?
the
This
one
one?
with
Maybe
peanut
that
butter on it.
Fredo. Maybe this
The
one.
one with the peanut butter.
The one with the peanut butter.
Now he's. Excuse me, Danny.
The
Now
one
he's.
with the peanut butter is on the jelly.
Put it on the jelly that has the bread. Oh.
The bread that has the jelly on it.
Yeah, the bread that has.
Sophie, are you ready to help us?
Ooh, that's good.
Take the bed size that has peanut butter and that's mushed out and put on the trash and get another bed.
No, maybe just
You
throw
just
all
might
of
see-
it.
Eat it. Pour peanut butter.
It's definitely.
You guys really waste a lot of.
I know how to make a
I
bread.
think you should
Bread
just put
jelly.
your noodles in the microwave that you
I just
brought.
wanna-
Because now.
I knew my jelly.
Alright, so what am I doing with this?
Throw it in the trash.
Oh, throw it. Oh, yeah, Michael ruined it because I was like, throw it.
Alright.
Do it.
Do I have to do the whole peanut butter thing again?
Yes.